Hey, guess what we're gonna play with? A washer and dryer.
Hi, welcome to my laundry store. Hi, could you do my laundry for me? Sure, I'd love to. Just put it up there. Okay. Come back in an hour. Okay, thank you. Ooh, this is a pretty dress. Okay, we'll put it in there. Ooh, look, another pretty dress. Okay, let's spray and scrub out the stain. There we go. Time to put it in the washer. A little soap. Now it's ready to wash. All done. Now it's time for the dryer. Put a dryer sheet in there. Uh-oh. What just happened? That doesn't look like her dress. Minnie Mouse, what are you doing in there? Don't answer that. Let's just try this again. Okay, my problem just got bigger. Minnie Mouse, you got bigger. I was hoping you'd turn back into the dress. What's going on here? Okay, let's try this again and hope for the best. Oh, please, please, please turn into her dress. Oh, whew. Thank goodness. Now I can iron her dress. Time to hang it up. Okay, let's wash the next dress. All done. Now it's time for the dryer. I sure hope it doesn't turn into Minnie Mouse again. Oh man, what is going on? Gumballs? Uh-oh. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, whew! It turned back to the dress. I have no idea how that happened, but boy am I relieved. Okay, let's iron this one before it turns into something else. I'm back. Did anything exciting happen? No. Then what are all these gumballs from? Haha, never mind. Here, I'll come bring you out. That'll be $19.10, please. Okay, here you go. Here's your change. Why are all those gumballs in your cash register? Never mind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time. This is my woohoo! The laundry's done dance.